Imagine if just 50 push-ups a day could totally change not just your body, but also your mind, confidence, even everyday energy level. Too good to be true. Well, sit tight as we're going to explore the unexpected advantages. And believe me, you won't believe the third one. First benefit is full body strength gains. Push-ups provide purposes beyond only chest development. They attack your arms, shoulders, core, even your legs. It's like one move providing a small, full body exercise, and you strengthen the more you do. Second benefit, fat burner mode, activated. Though it's hardly running a marathon, push-ups burn calories like a fire. From the comfort of your living room, when you make them a regular habit, you are converting your body into a fat-burning engine. The third benefit is confidence explosion. This game transforms everything. When you consistently knock off 50 push-ups, you develop mental toughness rather than only muscle. The fourth benefit is bulletproof joints. Correctly performed push-ups are quite effective for joint stability. By strengthening the little muscles around your elbows and shoulders, you help to ensure that things move naturally and lower your injury risk. Benefit 5. Boosted metabolism. Your metabolism speeds up the more muscle you develop. You are therefore burning more calories than previously even while you are curled on the sofa. It is like getting paid to unwind. The sixth benefit is endless energy. Not only can 50 push-ups a day increase your physical stamina, but also your energy level. It will show up in your morning ritual, at work, and even during social events. You suddenly are the one with spare energy. The seventh benefit is better posture, better you. Sitting sloppily at your desk all day? By strengthening your core and back, push-ups enable you to stand tall as you intend. Although 50 push-ups a day seems easy, when you stack these advantages, it is abundantly evident that this little practice may produce great effects. What then is keeping you from beginning today?